been a while, haven't been to this spot. This spot create many memories. This is sort of like my training ground. It's good to be back, to be honest. It's good to be back. The reason why I come here is because of the north wind. North wind is pretty good here because the wind coming from behind. Basically for lure fishing, soft plastic, it's perfect. Everywhere else, the wall, the rock, it's gonna be windy because the wind right now is about 25 to 28 kilometers per hour. It's pretty strong, and the swell is coming up, so it's not really good rock fishing. Swell is about 1.4, 1.6, so just better be safe. Go to the place that you feel comfortable with to fish. Anyway, this place looks so abandoned right now. Usually there's already so many cars. Right now there's no one fishing. I have the place all by myself. So let's get our gear and start casting, eh? Let's go. So the rod I'm using, Zenek, includes squid squad. This is actually my squid rod, but also perfect for soft plastic because of the flexibility on the rod tip there. The reel, Dewa Emeralda 2500, 8-pound mainline, and the leader I'm using is 12-pound this time because I'm using a bigger soft plastic, and the soft plastic is Dewa Bejaki 5-inch. There you go. First cast. Number 2 massage ball here. There you go, Molex. Which one should I use? Jelly prawn or motor oil? Let's try motor oil. Stop recording. Oh, there you go. There you go. That's a good head shake. That's a very good head shake. I think he got me. He got me. Come on, come on. He got me. Damn. Still there. Can feel the thumping. Damn. On my leader as well. Must be spinning around the rocks. Stop recording. I think that was a good size flathead before. Oh, what was that? Snack? There you go. I'm not gonna let you run me under again this time. Pikes. Stinky pikes. Alright. There you go. On the shroom's tail. Shroom's tail. Pikes. Yummy. There you go, buddy. What was that? Was that a squid? There you go. What is this? Whoa. Another pikes. Pretty good size. Cut out. Another pike, another pike. There you go. That's a good sized pike there. On the shroom's tail. Look at the teeth. Thanks, mate. See ya. Swim. So the wind's blowing to the left side. Shroom's tail. Let's go. So the fish around here: tailor, salmon, trevally, bream, flathead, flounders, mallets. The guy said he's been catching tailor using the metal jig, so that's mean they're probably a little bit further up. So no chance using a soft plastic. That's better. A little bit further. Very strong current. Oh. Yes, first fish.
Oh yeah? Maybe it's color.
Yeah. Trevally.
Oh. Big one.
Nah, this is small.
Oh.
Very small. Shroom's tail. Zenek include Magnum. Zenek includes Squid Squad. 2500. Pop. See you, buddy. It's getting super windy now. Spent the last 1 hour probably in this spot. Only one trap, but that's the only fish that I caught today. Maybe I should try this side here under the bridge and see how is it going. Haven't been to this spot here for very long time. No one here, which is good. The wind is north wind right now, which is good. It's coming from behind. It's going to the front. So only have an hour and a half before it gets too dark. So let's go to it. Stop recording. Alright. Glove ready, cleats ready, life vest ready. There you go, Rapido 160. Let's go. First cast. ISFG. Palms, poppers. Let's go. Right side. Boom, boom, boom. Retrieve. 1, 2, 3. Retrieve slow. 1, 2, 3. Retrieve slow. All right, let's go. I'm not sure about the snack here, but I know it's pretty snacky based on what people said. So I'm not gonna leave it on the bottom too long. Let's change to the white one. Usually I use it early in the morning. Well, I think it's also pretty good in the afternoon. One way to find out. Let's try the left side, snaggy. But many structures there, many kelps, many wheat beds. Oh, there you go. Oh, come on. Again. Come off again. You are kidding. Come on. There you go. It is good size. Only on the tentacle. That's not good. No. Let's bring it to the left. Three, two, one. I knew something gonna take it. On the Zenek includes squid spot with Yamashita 3.0 Tegio F. Very happy. It's getting very dark now. and the swell are getting crazier, so I have to get out. And it's an incoming tide as well, in about 30 minutes. If you feel you're not safe, if you feel not confident, then just get out, come back tomorrow or something. Anyway, it's been very, very difficult session in winter. Basically, I've been trying many ledges, including using soft plastic, ultralight, light medium, heavy. Nothing works so far, but only one thing that works so far: squids. I had more success squidding in the winter, to be honest, and they also come in a bigger size than normal. Look at the sunset, guys. Beautiful. Anyway, get your squid jig out. I'm pretty sure there are squids everywhere. Just find the structures near the wheat beds. As soon as you find it, then there'll be squids there for sure. So good luck. See you on the next episode, Indocine Fishing. Ciao.
Indo-Sydney Fishing with Owen and Al.
Check out these other videos.
Come on, don't be shy.